and splash! He dipped all the paint out. He turned green. How about these polka dots? And then they painted polka dots.
Welcome to Ray's Hair Salon, where she brushes your greasy hair you probably need to wash. That was a pretty sweet accent. What you doing back there? What's this stuff? Words, you are not a baby.
I'm using this pink thing to see if this is working.
What's it supposed to do?
It's supposed to do, whatever one I put hair in, it comes, but it's not doing it to my mom's.
Okay.
Your hair is still getting long. I'm going to get a top.
Ah! I'm just kidding, that didn't hurt. Gotcha!
No, you didn't.
You thought you hurt me. Ah!
Gotcha.
No, I got you. You thought you hurt me again.
Gotcha.
We should probably open the Relatins. It's already like 9:30. Why have I not opened those yet? If you can tell, it's gonna be a very lazy Friday.
Hey, stop moving.
Oh, the sun. Hold on, I can't do this. So I'm pretty sure it said it was supposed to be cloudy all day. That's the sun. Don't close it, leave it open. We need the sun.
Bye.
But it's so bright. It looks like, we're angels.
Ow!
Not really, she's kind of Satan child.
Whoa! I'm getting some on your stick.
You're not a baby. All right, I really need to get to working on editing videos. Yeah.
Stop moving.
I'm working on a new intro and outros. But I'm also distracted by watching Facebook. So like working on videos here, well, working on videos here, watching videos here, being bugged by bug up here. Hashtag mom life.
I'm going to taste a pretzel of a
What kind of pretzel? Show me. Yogurt pretzel. She convinced me to buy them yesterday at the commissary.
Let me see if I can open it.
You can't. You're not that smart. Got it. Look, you look like an angel. Look at the sun beaming in on you like an angel.
Good.
You looked unsure. Are you sure?
Try one. Do you like it?
I don't know. I'm scared.
How about that?
I'd rather just have pretzels.
Little pretzel?
Chocolate pretzel. I don't like those yogurt ones. You can have them.
I don't like that either. I did the right way. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. He loves yogurt Brussels. What did they eat? What kind of snack did they have?
I don't know.
They didn't tell you what kind of snack they had?
No.
Oh.
Normally they were just playing, and then they were hiding.
After they watched their movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they didn't eat chocolate. Mine didn't eat chocolate.
That's good.
My dog didn't eat anything.
Maybe he just wasn't hungry. He just had so much fun.
And why is he stretching?
You know what we're going to do tonight?
What?
Can you guess?
Uh-uh.
Ray, can you guess what we're going to do?
No. Uh-uh.
Whose house did you want to go to?
Miss Mandy! Yeah.
I think we're going to go to Miss Mandy's house tonight.
And somebody from my school, please.
I don't know anyone from your school, but... Language. You're on candid camera. You're I don't care, I don't need a release. You're fat. You're going to be on the YouTube. Ashley. Where'd you go, Ashley? There's her.
That easy. All you gotta do is turn off the camera.
Fine, I turned it around. I don't need you. Making pork carnitas for dinner. I think I'm gonna bring rice. We're gonna go over to Mandy's. I'm gonna bring some rice and eat it over rice. I will link the recipe down below because I didn't record it while I was putting it in there and I don't actually follow the recipe to a T, but I will link that for anyone who does want to make them.
ridiculous and horrible.
Uh-huh.
How?
Because you guys hate me.